Assalamu alaikum viewer. We are here with another informative video in which we will study adjectives, its definition, types and uses. Adjectives. Definition of adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. In English, adjectives usually come before the noun they are describing. There are several categories of adjectives. Using adjectives in sentences. Adjectives in English are usually placed before the noun they describe. They do not change form to agree with the noun. Examples. 1. He is a busy man. 2. It is a busy market. 3. These are busy streets. Here, man, market are singular nouns, we use adjective busy. In the third sentence, the noun streets is plural, but adjective is same, that is busy. Other ways to use adjectives. Sometimes, adjectives can be used after a verb, such as be or become. Examples. 1. The city is busy. 2. Your house is beautiful. 3. The food is delicious. Here, busy, beautiful and delicious are adjectives used after the verb is. Categories of adjectives. 1. Fact adjective. 2. Opinion adjectives. Fact adjectives. Fact adjective tell us a particular fact about the noun they are describing. There are many different categories of fact adjectives. Examples. 1. Sizes. This is an enormous dog. Here, enormous indicates the size of the nouns. 2. Shape. It's a round ball. Here, in the given sentence, round tells the shape of the noun, ball. Next. 3. Age. She is very old. 4. Color. He wears red shirt. 5. Nationality. I like French toast. 6. Materials. He wears leather shoes. Opinion adjectives. Opinion adjectives describe what somebody thinks about something. It has two types. 1. General opinion adjectives. Example. I just bought a nice guitar. Here nice is general opinion adjective. 2. Specific opinion adjectives. Example. Cat is such a friendly animal. Here friendly is specific opinion adjective. Adjective order. When several adjectives are used together before a noun, they must go in a particular order. Opinion adjectives must come before fact adjectives. General opinion adjectives must come before specific opinion adjectives. The correct order is given as 1. General opinion. 2. Specific opinion. It means general opinion should come before specific opinion. Then comes size, shape, age, color, nationality, and material. Now have examples of orders of adjectives. 1. I eat a delicious round Chinese cheese. Here, delicious is a specific opinion, round is shape, Chinese is nationality. 2. He is a nice, intelligent young man. Here, nice is a general opinion that comes before specific opinion that is intelligent. Gradable and non-gradable adjectives. Gradable adjectives can be modified by adverbs to make the adjective's original meaning more or less powerful. 1. This book is very good. 2. This book is fairly good. 3. This book is not very good. Things can be more or less good, so good as gradable adjective. Very, fairly, not very are adverbs which change the strength of adjectives. Now comes non-gradable adjectives. Non-gradable adjectives can't usually be modified. These adjectives have three categories. 1. Extreme. 2. Absolute. And 3. Classifying. Example. 1. Her argument was fantastic. Fantastic is non-gradable adjective that can't be modified. Extreme adjectives are stronger version of adjectives, such as awful, hilarious, fantastic, or terrifying. See examples. 1. This presentation was awful. 2. This story is terrifying. 1. 3. He has given a fantastic idea. Here, awful, terrifying, and fantastic are extreme version of adjective. Absolute adjectives can't be graded because they describe fixed qualities or states such as unique, perfect, or impossible. Examples. 1. She has a unique personality. 2. Your plan is perfect in all respect. 3. Nothing is impossible. Here, unique, perfect, and impossible are absolute version of adjective that can't be modified. Classifying adjectives are used to say that something is of a specific type or class, such as Pakistani, nuclear, medical, etc. Examples. 1. The audience was Pakistani. 2. He is PhD in nuclear physics. 3. He got admission in medical college. Here, Pakistani, nuclear, and medical are classifying version of adjectives. Viewer, this is the first video on adjectives, volume 1. We will come with another video, volume 2, on adjectives, in which we will study degree of adjectives with examples. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us.